under this cover is a car we're going to debut later. Everybody knows what the car is, but it's just something special that's going to be added to what we're doing this year. And look forward to seeing you all later.
Now, is everybody having a great time at SEMA today?
Yeah!
So let me set the stage for you. 1964, Shelby American has the new Daytona Coupes coming out to beat Ferrari. But unfortunately, Ferrari did his shenanigans and got the very last race canceled. So Peter Brock and Shelby American decided next year Ferrari's ass is mine and came back with the phenomenal coupe that won the FIA World Championship. So 2025 is the 60th anniversary of that historic achievement, and Lance and the team of Shelby Legendary Cars and Superformance are commemorating that with a very special vehicle. Gentlemen, let's take the cover off this car, and Lance, please tell everybody about this very special vehicle.
Yeah. So yeah, we're really excited. I mean, the Daytona is our flagship. We love this car. It was built to drive. It's a comfortable car, and it's just got a unique shape and design that Peter was behind. Everybody, the camtail, it's just the most incredible car.
Let's walk. Yeah, let's go. Start from the back and walk me from the back to the front of the car before we wrap up here, because what an experience right now. Whoa!
So when Peter came with this idea, nobody thought it would work. They did not think this camtail would work. None of the guys in the shop were confident about it. But when Dan drove the car at Riverside, and when they looked again, he was nearly 200 miles an hour, and he was burning less gas than the other car. They were blown away, and that was the Daytona. So we've made some changes. It's now a comfortable tourer. It's a GT car. It has also air conditioning, power steering, electric windows, central locking. And in the 60th anniversary, will come with a special Peter Brock badges. It will have a letter from Peter Brock to each of the owners that get one of them, that are privileged to get one of them. There's only going to be 10 of them. And there'll be a dash plaque where Peter's signature's on, and Carol with the signature will be on the body too. And we've done some interior changes, and it has special wheels that are going to be coming on that vehicle for the launch.
So this is one, the first one revealed.
This is just an example of it.
10, the first one.
Yeah, but this is just an example of what it's in. The actual car is still being finished. It couldn't make it to SEMA. We wish it could have been here, but the body shape and lines are the same as this.
And the lines are stunning. Walk down the front end, because everyone, again, watching here on SEMA Live.
I'm going to open this up. You take a look at this.
Lance, can you project so the rest of them can hear too?
Yeah, you go.
The
There you go.
crowd here. Everyone watching can hear us live, but yeah, the massive crowd needs to hear a little bit louder. Whoa!
Look at that.
Okay, Lance, educate us on what you guys.
So
did
here
here.
you have Shelby engines, aluminum block Shelby engine, with an 8-stack injection system in the Shelby Daytona.
How much horsepower are we going to have in this?
So they'll probably vary between 550 and 600 horsepower, depending on the owners. The owner gets to pick the horsepower and how he wants the car completed.
Color-wise, if the owner's watching and they want to get, it's all going to be the same with the blue
No,
and white, the classic
they'll
look?
be able to select their own color choices. There were different colors the cars raced. They were mostly blue, but there were versions of the blue they were raced in. Anybody can have any one of those, or a special color that somebody loves.
Do you know how special this is, how you are recreating automotive history?
Now,
How does that feel?
I pinch myself. It doesn't seem real.
Right.
I came from South Africa. You know, we didn't even have a lot of these cars. There was one COBRA in South Africa when I grew up, and I would never believe that, 25 years later, I'm still doing the Shelby COBRAs. The cars that won in the 60s, and they in anybody's eyes, those are the best cars. You name anything in the Mopar, in the GM, all from the 60s, everybody loves them. And to produce the COBRA, the GT40, the Grand Sport, the Daytona, it's just such. And we didn't even talk about the FIA, which that was the most successful racing COBRA Shelby ever did, was the FIA COBRA, 289 FIA, and of course we do that too.
And you guys, so you said it's really amazing for you to build these, but now you also give the opportunity to people watching to own these cars. Lance, thank you so much. This was a privilege and a pleasure to be with you.
Thanks.
Chris, is this not unbelievable right here? It's amazing. I'm going to send it back up to you in the SEMA Live studios. Unbelievable. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Don't leave me hanging.
There you go. Thanks, man.
So
This was
good.
stunning.
This was great. Great reveal. Great crowd.